Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a couple of freebies for you all to check out. Now, keep your money in your pocket. This one is on the house. I know it's the weekend, it's time to get geared up, so let's get you ready. Now, the name of this watch face is called CF Dashboard 1. Very nice, simple digital watch face, not a bad look at all. And always on mode, you will get a digital time. To see an AOD mode, not a bad look either. When the watch face is on, at the top, you will get a 24-hour digital time. You come down, you get the day of the week, also your date, and you get the step status info. Over here, I like the gauge, right? Look like a gauge that comes out of a car. And if you look at the top, you got a nice little gas pump, which I thought was very, very creative, right? And it is in the active, so if I tap right here, I can get my music player. I tap right here, I can get my step status, calories burned. If I tap in between Friday and the day, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. So I thought this was definitely a nice watch face to check out. And if I double tap in the middle, I could change the color to whatever I want to color coordinate with whatever I have on for the night or the day, and cycle through. This developer gives you quite a few to choose from, and I thought this was not bad for a free watch face. All right, make sure you download this in the Gear Manager store. And now let's check out watch face number two. Number two is called Digital Elegance Interactive Watch Face EP2. This one is nice. You're gonna like this one. And yes, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look, right? Only deal is you're not gonna be able to see the information in the analog clock. Now, once the watch face is on, what you're gonna get at the top is of course your battery info, miles walked or ran. You're going to get the day of the week and a nice legible digital time. You come down, you will get your date information, heart rate, and your step info. And it has shortcuts that actually works. So if you single tap on it, you can go in and set an alarm, check your weather. You can go into your settings and tweak your watch if you like. And I like that analog clock, so you do get the best of both worlds. I thought this was a good look. I do like the lumen color, but I really like what's happening around the bezel of the watch. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Listen, it is the weekend, so remember, party, enjoy family and friends, have fun, but be safe and party like it's 1999. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.